Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a DIY marble countertop. This is the before and this is the after. Keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so you are going to need a durable knife that I bought at Target. This was only $5. Next you will need contact marble paper, 18 by 20 feet. And this was only $4.99 in the kitchen section. And scissors. Cut the desired amount that you are going to be using for this next step. As you can see, I already cut right over here, and you just place it like that. Flip the contact paper. Begin by folding the parchment paper by 1 inch. Do so in an L format. Alrighty, so this is how it should look like after you stuck the counter paper onto your countertop. If there is any contact paper on the silver lining part, don't worry, I will help you fix it. Taking my durable knife from Target, you're going to vertically glide the knife all the way down until you reach the end of the countertop. Next, you are going to begin to peel it off. Okay, so for now you are going to take a window swiper and you will begin to brush it all the way down vertically. I'm already taking the parchment paper off and swiping it as I go. Repeat this process. It's going to be a little while, but I promise you it's the easiest way. You don't have to use a window swiper. I just use it because I thought it would be a really creative idea. You can also use your hands. You can use any flat surface that you have that you can hold and then brush it back at the same time. This was just my way of doing it. And as you can see, the wrinkles are gonna occur in your countertop, so you can lift it up and then place it back again. So yeah, just pull the parchment paper and brush it down. Yeah. This is the hardest part. It's not very hard, but you just have to manage to get it very clean onto your countertop. You should get something like this after sticking it on the countertop. Alrighty guys, so this is the end result. I did this and it took only about an hour. You can clean it, you can put water on it. It's water resistant, so it should hold up really good. It gives it a really bougie look, and I'm just so excited for this. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.